Today's video explains how to replace independent suspension bushings. First, find a stable and firm ground. Use the trailer's electric leg and stabilizer legs to make the trailer as high as possible. Then use a jack to support the independent suspension according to the single axis or double axis so that the tires are slightly off the ground for easy adjustment. Then find the 2 screws that connect the hydraulic system on the suspension. Use a wrench to remove the 2 screws. Then unscrew the safety chain screw. Lower the jack so that the suspension is not stressed. Then use 2 wrenches to unscrew the 2 inner and outer eccentric screws that hold the bushing. The suspension is heavy. Be aware of the suspension falling after unscrewing the screws. If the bushing connection is tight, use a crowbar to loosen it. After removing the suspension, first remove the shaft core. Then remove the rubber bushings on both sides. If it is not easy to disassemble, you can knock it off with a tool. Take out the prepared new shaft and bushing. Apply lubricant to the bushing. Install the bushing. If it is too tight, you can tap it with a small hammer. Install the shaft core. The bushing is installed. Install the suspension on the trailer body with a jack. If there is tire misalignment, please refer to the wheel alignment tutorial video.